How to choose the best microwave oven under 6,000 rupees. Suppose you're looking for a budget-friendly microwave oven under 6,000 rupees. In that case, there are a few considerations that should be taken into account. Wattage. One of the most crucial specifications to consider is wattage. A microwave oven with a higher power/wattage will cook or reheat the food faster. But keep in mind that most microwave ovens available on the market range in power from 600 watts to 2000 watts. So make sure you buy one that meets your demands. Design. It depends on what you're looking for in a microwave oven. Some people like traditional designs on their appliances, such as a control panel with knobs and dials, while others prefer sleeker, more modern-looking equipment. If you are interested, you can also get a smart microwave oven for your kitchen. Size and capacity. The size and capacity of the microwave you need are determined by the number of members in your family. A 20-liter microwave oven will suffice for a single person or a small family. Control panel. As mentioned earlier, the control panel is where you set the time and temperature for cooking or reheating. Some people prefer jog dial-type mechanical knobs for the adjustments. But the digital or touch panel controllers have more features and provide more flexibility. Some models provide auto-cook menus for easy cooking or reheating. You have to select the auto-cook program and press start. Safety features. The most important safety features you must look for are auto shutoff and child lock. Auto shutoff prevents overheating of the oven and automatically shuts it off if the temperature exceeds a particular level. The child lock feature prevents your child from operating the microwave oven without your supervision. Overall rating. Before buying a microwave oven, please read what other people say about the product you're interested in. Check for ratings and reviews from customers who have used the same model. The research will give you an idea of its performance, durability, and ease of use. Warranty. Make sure to check for the warranty provided by the manufacturer. Usually, a microwave oven comes with a comprehensive warranty of 1 to 2 years on the product and an additional warranty on magnetron. It is also critical to understand what's covered by the warranty and what isn't so that you don't incur additional costs in case of a defect or malfunction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay connected, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Also, remember to like this video and leave a comment below. Your feedback and suggestions mean the world to us.